I took 11 losses in a row, have one good trade and all good, but I'm not happy about that because it could have been much more than that. Yo, what's going on? What's going on, team? Hope you're all having a great time. Whoa, the losing streak is over, guys. I mean, from last week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, this Monday, it was just losing days. I've lost around 11 trades in a row, like with around 1 to 2%. I've lost around 20%. I think something around 20% was what I've lost. And yeah, today I banked one good trade on Go, guys. Let me share the screen real quick. Okay, so now check this one. This was today, and I mean, this is a great trade. This is a big profit. That's cool, but I'm not happy about that profit because it could have been like double. It could have been like double than that, and that would be really, really cool. I was impatient when I saw that trade hitting that near the 1905 area. I was impatient. I was like, damn, let's bank the profit. We got all the losses back. It's cool. We back on 7 million, and I wanted to bank that profit, and I didn't stick to my plan, and that's fucked up. I mean, I took 11 losses in a row, have one good trade and all good, but I'm not happy about that because it could have been much more than that. Let me tell you. Like, let's see. Give me a second. What was last week? Monday was the 5th, so this was a Sunday. So last week we started with this awesome gold trade that I've talked to you about before. Like, we banked 300 grand. We were like on around 7 million or something, and then look at that, like 11 losses in a row, guys, just red. And then boom, baby. But let me tell you, I'm not happy about that. Let me go over that trade real quick. First of all, let me show you, like, we back in the business, guys. Last 3 months were great. Let's see, from the 1st May. Yeah, we good in profit. That's all fine. Okay, we good. Let me close my phone screen. Boom. And now let's talk about what happened. Okay, let's talk about this week, because last week I was missing out on that big ass move. Like, let me delete this real quick. Last week I was missing out on that whole move, and then this week I wanted to bank on that move, you know. So this week I was like, okay, we got this bearish trend channel over here. Cool. So what will probably happen around in this area? We're probably gonna see rejection, kind of consolidation before it dropped really heavy. And this is what happened. But I was like, you never know on gold, like if it respects that channel, because it is a strong trending market. And if this thing moves up, it moves up. Like, sometimes it don't give a fuck about a channel, and it don't respect that. And this is why I was struggling in this area here. Let me go to the smaller time frames real quick. Let me check it out, like the 15 minute. Let's check the 5 minute, because I was taking a couple of trades that didn't work out. Like, look at that. I was like, okay, on Monday I saw this and I was like, okay, maybe this was the liquidity grab. Boom, break of structure. Let's write this thing to the top. Let's focus 1940, 1950. This was my plan around in this area here. because we had this nice break of structure, I wanted to buy. But then the market, like I was buying over here and I was like, cool, yeah, we on the winning streak, let's get it. And then boom, got stopped out. I was like, damn, this thing wants to keep dropping. Okay, cool, let's sell it. I was like, cool, yeah, I got it. And then boom, got stopped out again. I was like, fuck, what I'm doing here? Maybe this was the stop on, like 1, 2, 3. This is the stop on. Okay, maybe we should buy this thing. No, got fucked again. I was like, damn, something is wrong over here. Should I sell it again? I was like, damn, yeah, let's sell it. Okay, then I got stopped out. I was like, no way, bro, this thing wants to go down, let's sell it. Like, I wanted to sell this thing. I was selling it, putting my stop at around 1926.5. This was my stop. I was like, no way, if this thing goes above this, I will lose. But if this is a channel and it wants to break out, let me sell it on top, because I mean, my buyers from the beginning of the week were like, yeah, because of this trend channel, as you can see, this trend channel, I was like, yeah, let's sell it. I mean, the odds were in our favor for selling opportunities. So I was like, damn, I got tricked a couple of times, but let's not miss out on that big ass move. Okay, the session ended somewhere around in this area. Somewhere around in this area the session ended, and then the Asian session started, was going up and then just dropping down. And then I was sleeping because I was holding the trade. I was like, fuck it, if I cannot get the drop, if I get stopped out, that's fine, but let me hold this thing. It was nearly a 24-hour trade, and I was risking 2%, but I was loading it up. Like, I had good lots over here because the stop loss was around 20 to 40 pips, something like that. So I was able to make really big lot size on that one. And I was like, cool, let's wait. And then what happened? Market dropped heavy. Boom. Then I was waking up around in this area over here, and I was like, damn, I missed on that move. But I was like, no way, that's not all. Like, if you see a consolidation like this, most of the times you get the breakout, the market will come back just to this area over here, and then it will drop again. So I saw that, and I was like, okay, I can lose 2% maximum, so let's just hold it out. Let's just hold it and let it play out. And then finally the market dropped heavy, and as soon as it was breaking through that area, I was like, damn, let's bank the profits around in this area. I was not patient enough. Let me show you the 1 minute chart. Like, I was looking at it and I was like, yeah, we got it, we got the breakout. And it was around in this area. This thing was getting small, and I was like, damn, maybe it will turn around now. And I was closing around this area over here. On this candle, on exact this candle, I was closing the trade instead of just holding it. I was too impatient and didn't let it run. I mean, it is a good trade. I'm back where I was. I was getting rid of all the losses and everything is cool. One trade, risk 2%, made 20%. That's 10 times more than I've risked on the trade, and that's cool. But it could have been like 40%. It could have been 40% if I would have just stick to the plan. And I'm kind of pissed off right now, but that's part of the game, guys. I mean, what can we do next on gold? It looks like we could wait for a really nice buying opportunity now. If it respects the channel, we're gonna see the next push to 1940, or maybe to the 50 level. We don't know, we have to check it out. But from structure perspective, it could really keep on going. Maybe today, tomorrow, maybe we hit that gold level over here. I mean, as you can see, we got this pretty big consolidation. The same thing we had over here where I got fucked a couple of times. But what happened? The market dropped and it came back to exact that level, and then it dropped again. So we could see that the market will keep moving up to the exact level over here, and then this thing could drop again like big time. This is what could happen if it makes the exact same move that we had on the smaller time frame. This could happen. It could come up slowly, and then if it hits that level, boom, goodbye. We will see. Let's see what's going on. I try to move with the flow of the market. Of course, I'm gonna have some losers, some winners. I mean, we all have losing trades. What is really important, guys, I cannot stress this enough, like don't lose more than 1 or 2%, like 3% max. 5% is too much. Like if I would trade on 5% and I'm trading like the smaller time frames, and sometimes it's choppy and I get a couple of losses in a row before I get the big move. If I would do this with 5%, my psychology would be so fucked. I couldn't do it, I couldn't do it. So stick to 1 to 2%. That's really enough. Like if you can make 10%, 20%, 30%, maybe 50% on one trade with like 1 or 2% risk, I think that's cool. I of course, you need to get a good entry, and then you need to patient to let it run. Like I was too impatient with this particular trade, but if you can let it ride out, you can make so much money. Like just move the stop with the structure. I was not sticking to my plan on that trade for real. Like I was not patient enough, and I'm kind of pissed off on that one, but it's cool. We are up, so we are in profit. Everything is working fine, and I'm happy about that. And next time I'm gonna try to ride it out. So let's see what we got. Right now, I would really see if we can get a nice bullish entry on gold, guys. Let's see. But anyways, yeah, have a great profitable trading week. If you need help, make sure to check the description, drop me a message in Telegram, or join the free Telegram channel. I'm gonna share some stuff over there. And yeah, if you need some help, I'm here for you. I wish you all the best. Peace out. Have a good time. Bye. Every